I've got the brand new iQOO 15 Ultra right here in my hand, and this is being positioned as a next-gen gaming flagship made especially for mid-range gamers. After spending some real time with it, honestly, one word comes to mind: perfect. In this video, I'm going to share my hands-on experience with the iQOO 15 Ultra.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our...
Let's start with the design. The color I'm using is the classic 2027 black, and right away, the back panel stands out with its lava orange flowing light energy matrix pattern. It gives off a futuristic, almost spaceship-like vibe. The camera module features a transparent, visible structure, and the floating lens design paired with the new energy light blade, subtle breathing light, and the exclusive Ultra logo really reinforces that premium flagship feel. Back cover uses an AF coating that looks elegant and feels refined in the hand. The low-texture frame blends seamlessly into the back panel, and thanks to the R9 design, the phone feels comfortable to hold with a secure grip. Just like the standard iQOO 15, the Ultra version comes with a 2K Samsung Everest display using M14 luminous materials. Local peak brightness reaches an incredible 8,000 nits, so even under harsh outdoor sunlight, everything stays clear and readable. The 2K resolution, combined with excellent dynamic color tuning, delivers smooth, sharp visuals in games, with no ghosting. It also includes Cooler Master 2.0 technology to eliminate polarized sunlight interference. 3 light sensors at the top help the phone adjust brightness faster and more accurately, and high-frequency PWM dimming ensures eye protection, whether you're gaming during the day or late at night. Now, since this is a performance-focused device, gaming is clearly the top priority. Hardware-wise, it's fully loaded with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, LPDDR5 Ultra Pro memory, and UFS 4.1 storage. Its benchmark score crosses 4.42 million, which already tells you how powerful this setup is. So how does it perform in real gameplay? With Star Iron mode enabled at 60 FPS and 972p high quality, I ran a game for 30 minutes straight and didn't experience any frame drops or brightness throttling. The frame rate curve stayed almost perfectly flat, averaging 59.9 FPS, easily maintaining full frame rate. For mid-range mobile gaming, this phone handles everything effortlessly. It also comes with a self-developed Q3 gaming chip that supports ray tracing in Genshin Impact, 2K super resolution, and simultaneous 120 FPS gameplay. The visuals look richer and smoother, and once you turn on ray tracing, the experience feels surprisingly close to PC-level gaming. FPS fans will appreciate the 2 ultra-sensitive shoulder buttons, which support a 600Hz touch sampling rate with consistent responsiveness. In games like PUBG Mobile, I mapped the left shoulder button to fire and the right to silence. Paired with the ultra-sensitive gyroscope, touch response becomes lightning fast, making 4-finger operation easy. Add the newly customized 1640 dual-foot vibration motor, and the immersion level goes way up. Cooling is handled by the Ice Dome system, which combines passive cooling with an active fan that has 3 intelligent speed modes and automatic start and stop. The fan kicks in after about 3 minutes, bringing temperatures down to around 38 degrees Celsius. And you can clearly feel the cooling effect during longer gaming sessions. Battery life is another strong point. The iQOO 15 Ultra packs a massive 7400 mAh Blue Ocean battery and supports 100-watt super flash charge. In my testing, after playing 2 demanding mobile games, the battery only dropped from 100% to 83%, which is impressive. It also supports Global Direct Drive Attack 2.0, effectively turning the phone into an ice king for gaming. So overheating isn't something you really need to worry about. And beyond gaming, this phone is also built for streaming. It supports 144 FPS live streaming for 7 major games, along with 2K 60 FPS ultra clear streaming. Just open iQOO Live Master inside the Game Assistant, tap once, and you're live. High bitrate screencasting is included too, making everything super easy with basically 0 learning curve. During streams, you can enable intelligent recording and highlight playback, which lets you save key moments for quick short video creation later. So yeah, those are my real-world impressions of the iQOO 15 Ultra. The base version starts at 5,699 yuan in China, which works out to roughly 1,120 Canadian dollars. If you've got any questions or want to know more, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.